Open Google and type Google Vids. Click the first link. Click Sign into Vids. Use your Gmail account. Select Portrait and then select Veo 3.1. Now open ChatGPT and create an image. I have already created an image of dog singing a song. Download the image and go back to the Google Vids. Select Animate an image. Add the image. Go back to ChatGPT and create a prompt to animate this image. I have already created a prompt. Copy the prompt and paste in Google Vids. Click Generate. Click Insert. Go to File and download the video. Let's play the video.
Are you ready for the big show now? Everybody clap your paws and howl.
Subscribe for more videos.